I'm thinking I'm gonna eat some beef sticks. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna overdo it right up front and be full by the time we get 10 feet down the road.
You definitely will.
When you think of grabbing a bite in Philly, what do you think of? Maybe you think of the quintessential cheesesteak or a roast pork sandwich. But locals know that if you head to FDR Park on a Sunday, you'll eat some of the best Southeast Asian food you've ever had.
I don't know how to explain it. It's not new, it's not old. The vendors have been here for over 40 years.
Katzy is my guide to the Southeast Asian market, but her official title is much more official.
Okay, so I have a really long title,
Yep.
and it is Southeast Asian Outreach Network Community Cultivator.
Esquire.
The market is mostly made up of Lao and Cambodian refugee vendors, and that's because when they first came to America, when they were resettled here in Philadelphia, people who wanted to be in the business of selling and serving food, you know, we just kind of sold to each other. You know, in the summertime, this kind of reminded them of home and Southeast Asia, and it's like jungles, and so this kind of became a place to hang out, to stay. It was just convenient because there's your community's here, people you know are here, somebody's selling food, they're making food you know, you like, you could just be here all day.
And what can we expect from the food? What kind of dishes are we
So
gonna
the
see?
staples are going to be papaya salad, meat on sticks, so chicken on sticks, beef sticks, and then there's sugarcane juice. For some reason, those three things always come up for people.
I think we should try to eat all that stuff right
Yes, yes.
now. Our first stop on this tour, Cambodian beef sticks.
So this is Cambodian beef sticks, and it's one of the things you must get if you come to the market.
All right.
Melissa, how do you make your beef sticks?
The beef stick, it has lemongrass, lemon leaf, oyster sauce, sugar, a little bit of fish sauce.
Tell me about this chicken.
This is a chicken gizzard. So
Oh,
it's
it is?
inside of a chicken.
Oh, wow. There's a lot going on. I get that lime.
I couldn't even talk.
I like it too because it's a little bit fatty. It may look like a simple meat kebab, but this street food staple has a deceptive amount of personality.
Like each vendor has their own recipe of how they marinate and cook their beef stick. Vendors will have a different cut of meat that they prefer based on their own taste preferences.
I also knew I had to try the stuffed chicken wings.
So the stuffed wing, imagine a sausage, but instead of casing, it's a wing. Some vendors will put like pork inside of it instead of chicken, and some vendors will just do straight up chicken.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That's really good. And just chicken on the inside?
There's ground pork inside.
Oh, it's ground pork.
Yeah.
Let's put that.
Clear noodle and lemongrass.
So yeah, right up front, I get that lime leaf is really the dominant flavor. A little bit sweet too, so it's got the sweet savory thing happening. And then the pork inside is very coarsely ground, so you get that chewiness, that texture. You're right, just because by the nature of it being wrapped in chicken skin, it's super moist, really delicious. Next up, a smoothie made from the infamous durian fruit.
Durian is not for everybody.
Yeah, I've never had it before.
It's a little bit controversial. It's a very strong fruit. Can we have a durian smoothie, please?
Of course. Got you guys.
So you're not gonna have any.
No. I already know about my feelings about it.
So much build up.
I'm gonna let you try it, and then you can describe it to me.
Here you are.
Okay, I'm gonna come up with a good description, I think. I see what you mean. It's sulfurous.
Sulfurous. Okay.
It's like the odor of like overcooked hard-boiled eggs.
Okay.
That's what hits you first. If you you cut a bunch of onions on a cutting board and you went over and cut up a piece of cantaloupe and you ate that.
And you ate it off the same. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
there
what
we
it
go.
tastes
See,
like.
we just nailed that. That was awesome. Yeah, I mean it's not terrible. I'm not sure I'd continuously seek it out, but yeah, it's pretty good. Now I'm thinking a little crab apple snack. I want to try these crab apples that we keep seeing around.
So the crab apples are sour.
Okay.
And you eat them with chili salt. You should eat it first without the chili salt, and then you should try it. It's sour, right?
Yeah, it's only as sour as like a Granny Smith apple or something like that.
We're gonna use the chili salt that comes with it. Most of the time it's just chili and salt. Sometimes there's MSG, sometimes there's toasted rice powder. You might have to like lick it, yeah.
That's really good.
It's a different taste, right, when you add the
Totally
salt
different.
and yeah.
I mean,
there's a lot
where
of
the
chili in
sour was like the dominant flavor before, that saltiness almost acts to sweeten it a little
Yeah.
bit. And the chili does the same thing.
Yeah.
It's really good.
It turns it not into a fruit.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
It's like it could be a cucumber for all I know.
Yeah. So we are gonna try papaya salad. So it's also one of the other things you have to get if you come to the market. Bang Hao, do you want it spicy?
You know, like medium, unless.
Okay, hit Bandai. So she's gonna start with peppers, and then she's gonna add her veggies.
Papaya salad, hello.
So she adds carrots. So each vendor has like a different thing that they add. So she has carrots. She might add some Thai eggplants.
Okay.
Lime juice. She has tamarind. She has we call it it's unfiltered fish sauce. So in Lao it's badak. In Khmer it's brahak.
What's the key to making a great papaya salad?
That you have to like taste and pound because you're adding ingredients little by little. So it's not just like a formula and you make it.
Okay.
You just have to like keep going.
I've seen the ones made with the fermented baby crabs.
Yes,
too.
there are vendors here who have that.
Really?
Yes. But also like it's up to like the preference of the person ordering it. So like sometimes they'll ask you like, do you want peanuts in it? Do you want crabs in it?
Mm-hmm. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you.
Welcome.
So she has little shrimp. She has peanuts in hers. So let's try it. She said medium spicy. So we'll see
Okay.
if her medium is our medium.
Let's get that crunch. It's just really refreshing.
Yeah.
And it goes well with any flavor.
Yeah.
I love it with peanuts.
You should, yeah, so if you ever come back, you should try all the different ones. Like try with all the different vegetables and try it without peanuts, with crab, without crab. Yeah.
I really like this.
We're gonna try sugarcane juice. It is the other thing that you must get when you come to
Okay.
the market. So it's juice made from sugarcane, which is what we make sugar from, and it's surprisingly not as sweet as you think it's gonna be.
Oh, really?
Hi, Renzo. Can we have 2 sugarcane? These are the sugarcanes, and there is a harder bark, and so somebody has to shave it first,
Okay.
and then it goes through the machine.
Wow, that's almost like coconut water, coconut juice.
Yeah, it's very natural. It definitely tastes like it came from a plant.
Yeah, I think that's what makes it so special. It like has that earthiness, that herbal kind of notes to it.
It's not so super sweet.
No, it's not. It's really refreshing. That's fantastic. The food at the market was phenomenal. Amazing textures and flavors, combinations of char grilled, sweet and sour, salty and spicy. But as the sun went down, I had to tap out. Cassie, thank you so much for showing me around the market. It was amazing. I just loved every moment of it.
I hope you come back because I know you didn't get to try everything, but there's so much to try, even like different varieties of whatever your favorite thing is. Even if you find something delicious that was your favorite, you have to find like different versions of it just to know it's your favorite.
Yeah, I got to double check, triple check.
Yeah.
Cheers, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Food is so much more than the calories we put in our bodies. It's tied to family, to childhood, to countries, to beginnings and endings. And I'm glad there's a place in Philadelphia for this to thrive.
This isn't just a place to go eat food. This isn't just a place to buy stuff. This is a place where if my community has an identity, it's here.
Do you have a food market in your neighborhood? What do they sell? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.